Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Purple and this is Leanne and this is the Cutch. If you like the video then hit the like and subscribe button.
And please hit the bell for the notifications.
And we can keep you informed about the Cutch. Peace, love and light.
With a touch of Wellingborough unity.
Hello you beautiful lot, it's Purple.
And Leanne.
And we're here down at the back of Scenic Drive. And this is where we're going to start our Nene Valley Railway walk. Because this, perfect timing. Yeah, I like that. You don't really get much better timing than that. But this is the prologue to our Nene Valley Railway video, which we're going to do over Christmas. So to promote that, we're going to show you what I found so far, just here in Wellingborough. So what we've got is you've got Wellingborough Station, which is just at the top, and the train, the Midland mainline, will come down and go along there. But many years ago, a train line used to run off the main line and straight down towards the embankment. And it was a spur line that led all the way to Wellingborough's other station, which would be the London Road station. So give me a moment and me and Leanne, we're going to go head down the back there because there's still part of this spur line left, and yeah, we need to show you. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, give a head shake. And here we are. As quick as that.
Yeah.
Not bad, eh? Right. So why we've come here is because of this. Yes. Well, behind you is. And it used to come off the main line in the top corner, yeah, and come straight down here, and straight across here and head to London Road station. So shall we walk it and show everyone? And that just right there, that building and the ruins, is the old mill that used to belong to Wellingborough Road. Yeah, I've got some pictures of all that, but I'll do that as a separate video because there's quite a lot on there. Awesome, right?
What was it like to wake up after having never gone to sleep? That was when you were born. Just in the same way as you don't focus your attention on how you make your thyroid gland function, so in the same way you don't have any attention focused on how you shine the sun. So then, let me connect this with the problem of birth and death, which puzzles people enormously as well. Because in order to understand what the self is, you have to remember that it doesn't need to remember anything. Just like you don't need to know how you work your thyroid gland.
look, squirrel right in the middle.
So then, when you die, you're not going to have to put up with everlasting non-existence, because that's not an experience. A lot of people are afraid that when they die, they're going to be locked up in a dark room forever.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The missus has noticed another well cap down there, look. Yeah, once you get the eye. Brilliant, babe. Nice spot.
That was the before.
So yeah, railway chip-ins are still existing. Yeah, and I think just a little bit further down, there's like a little bit of an old hut. It's all brick built, and loads of people have had a fire in there. But I think when we get up there, we'll have a quick moochie in there. So if anyone watching the video knows exactly what it's for, please put it in the comments. All about knowledge through the community. Unity.
Hello? Iski man.
Oh, someone's taking a human fucking crap. Anyway, someone's taking a human poo. So I'll cut short. But yeah, bit of asbestos roof. But yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, alright, okay, someone's used it as a human toilet. Oh, yeah, nice one, guys. This is our heritage. At least dig a hole. Yeah. Ah. Anyway, this is where the Spurline went over the River Nene. Cool. And before we go over, I think I just want to show you all the side of this bridge, because it's still existing. Honey bunch. Yep. So we'll quickly show you that before we actually go over.
We're not the avatars we create. We're not the pictures on the film stock. We are the light that shines through. All else is just smoke and mirrors. Distracting, but not truly compelling. I've often said that I wished people could realize all their dreams and wealth and fame, and so that they could see that it's not where you're going to find your sense of completion. Like many of you, I was concerned about going out into the world and doing something bigger than myself, until someone smarter than myself made me realize that there is nothing bigger than myself.
I can hear some chugging in the background. It's Whitworth's Mill, but it's ringing through my ears like a steam train. We'll get to that. But yeah, look at that bridge work. And they've still left most of it. That's beautiful. Hey baby. She's all windswept.
I know.
That's cool. Before we go back up, I want... What is that? I mean, that's too big to be a well cap. And I'm pretty sure that's way too close to the river to be a... to be sewage works. There's also 2 other well caps in there as well. What is this? Anybody know what this is? Oh yeah, there's water. Yeah, anybody who knows what that is, give us a shout. Right, do excuse us a moment, we'll go back up the top and we'll carry on going over the bridge. Try and find some remains of old Wellingborough London Road Station.
Let's go over the bridge.
Yeah, let's go for it. We like bridges, don't we?
Yeah.
Especially old ones.
Our eyes are not viewers, they're also projectors that are running a second story over the picture that we see in front of us all the time. Fear is writing that script, and the working title is I'll Never Be Enough.
Absolutely.
I haven't seen it yet, so I want to.
Yeah, the cotch in the snow. I've seen it once.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that was it. That's the one. The Beast from the East, wasn't it? Yeah, I remember that. Beautiful bit of snow.
I wasn't around, but I've been going for 2 years.
Yeah, well. Right. We are now coming up to the cross section of where the Nene Valley Railway would go off towards Ditchford and towards Wellingborough Station. But I am afraid I don't think we can scooch around Whitworth's. We'll have a look. Oh wow, look at all them pigeons.
I know, that's what
How's that? God blimey. Right, that's it. Right, we can't get any closer. But what we're going to do is we're going to go round to Whitworth's entrance because that is actually where the station was. So give us a minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we are. And this is Whitworth's, and according to my little map, right in this little spot, right here, was London Road Station for Wellingborough. And it used to be part of the Nene Valley Railway, which used to run from Northampton to Peterborough. According to Wikipedia, Wellingborough Station was opened the 2nd of June in 1845. Yeah, and then it was closed on the 4th of May 1964 to passengers, but it carried on running for a further 2 years for the goods lines, and then it was shut. Of course, and that was all down to Dr. Beeching and his great report, but we'll look into that one another time. But yeah, Wellingborough stations and its Spurline, and the prologue to our Christmas special, so I'm looking forward to doing that one. Yeah, it's already looking pretty good, what I've got so far. You're gonna love it. So, from me and the Butterfly Mage,
We hope you have the best day.
ever. Peace, love and light. And if you like the video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Then hit the little bell for the notifications.
We can let you know about the plot.
We most certainly can. Peace, love and light. See you again soon.